MIT breakthrough discovery helps you save up to 65% on power bills, starting today. It is time you learned the truth. Renewable energy is not expensive. Done the right way, you will have it up and running for mere pennies. You can see the savings piling up overnight. You might be going all the way up to 65% off your power bill from the very first month. Did you know that most families spend over $2,000 per year on their energy bills? Well, it is true. My question is, what if you could cut that bill in half, or actually more than half? Would you be interested? Thousands of people are already using this simple method and they just do not know it. They are throwing thousands of dollars out the window as they do not know how to do it efficiently. Introducing the Backyard Revolution system. The simplest and easiest method that anyone can follow to make their own cheap green electricity. 1. No matter if you have no money to spend on a ridiculous off-the-shelf 20K system. 2. No matter if you do not have the time or patience to go through trials and errors. 3. No matter if you have never built anything before, not even an IKEA chair. The benefits are nothing short of amazing. 1. You do not have to be an electrician to do it. 2. It does not take up a lot of space. 3. You would not need to rely on the power grid anymore. 4. Plus, there is no maintenance required. Here is what you can do with the Backyard Revolution system. 1. You can build a 3D solar panel in under an hour. 2. You can be able to power up any kind of household appliances. 3. You can even power up a remote cabin in the wilderness. Click link in video description to download the Backyard Revolution system now. Say goodbye to your high power bills by visiting the link in video description.